Welcome to 206 West Bahama on sunny South Padre Island. It is located approximately 145 yards from the Laguna Madre Bay and approximately 750 yards from the Gulf of Mexico. This single or multi-family home has 5 bedrooms, 3 baths, a 2-car garage, and a pool. Hello, and welcome to 206 West Bahama. Come on in and have a look around. This property has what is known as a reverse floor plan, meaning that the main area is on the second floor. So let's begin there. Here on the second floor, we'll find the open concept living, dining, and kitchen, as well as 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, and 2 balconies. The living area has an office nook with a built-in desk and shelves. Just off the living room, we'll find the south-facing balcony. The dining room has seating for 4, with additional seating at the kitchen island. The kitchen has gorgeous granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, a glass tile backsplash, a spacious pantry, and plenty of cabinet and counter space. Check out some of the high-tech gadgets in this kitchen. And it tells you the temperature. Down this hallway, we'll find 3 bedrooms and 2 baths. 2 of the bedrooms can actually be used as primary bedroom suites. Let's visit the first of 2 primary bedrooms. This one has 2 closets. One is a walk-in, an ensuite bath, and access to the north balcony. The north-facing balcony can be accessed from this bedroom. This gorgeous bathroom has a tile countertop, copper sink, walk-in shower, and linen closet. It can be accessed by one of the primary bedrooms and also serves as an ensuite for the guest bedroom. The second primary bedroom has a spacious closet, ensuite bath, and also has access to the north balcony. Here's another beautiful bath. It has tile countertops, a bowl sink, custom tiled walk-in shower, and a linen closet. It can be accessed by the second primary bedroom, and it can also be accessed from the hallway. The third and final bedroom on the second floor has ample closet space, and it shares an ensuite bath with one of the primary suites. Now let's take a look at the first floor. Down here we'll find a living area, a full kitchen, 2 bedrooms and a bathroom, the utility room, and access to the pool. This door connects the 2 living areas. You can leave it open and it acts as one single family home. Or you can lock it and this is a separate apartment. If you were to use the downstairs as a separate living area, the person who is occupying the first floor can enter it through this door on the west side of the property. The downstairs has a full kitchen, complete with a sink, refrigerator, stove, microwave, and dishwasher. The first downstairs bedroom is decorated in a tropical style. Let's take a look. The second downstairs bedroom is being used as an office, but it certainly could be a bedroom. It has a very spacious walk-in closet. The downstairs bathroom can be accessed from the main area or as an ensuite from in this bedroom. Let's look at the utility area. Now let's visit what is sure to be one of your favorite features of this home, the backyard pool. Let's finish our tour of the outdoor space by visiting the front patio and the yard. And that concludes our tour of 206 West Bahama. If you'd like to visit in person, contact your favorite local real estate agent.